असीम भाई जो लिरिक्स राइटर हैं उनसे मुझे झाड़ भी पड़ी थी कि वो फिर होता है, फिर लगाना मेरा माने ना मन मेरा. After composing the song, I had made like a just guitars and my vocals version. I played it to the director. He liked some other song, तो उसने वो ले लिया. And this was with me, and I was like, "Hi, my name is Gajendra Verma, and you're watching me on Mashable Tour." So, Man Mera, I did a single with Eros in 2012. So we are doing that session today, which is the original version जो recently we have put on all the streaming platforms. तो उसके बाद फिर वो मूवी में गया था. तो the original जो जहाँ आइडिया शुरू हुआ था, that session we are doing today. सारी रात आहें भरता. So this is in 2012 I have made this song. मैंने compose कर लिया था. Compose भी actually किसी brief पे किया था. After composing the song, I had made like a just guitars and my vocals version. And वो करके I played it to the director. He liked some other song, तो उसने वो ले लिया. And this was with me, and I was like कि ये गाना अच्छा लग रहा है. I should do a single of that. So for the single, I then started programming the song, and this is the track. I was doing it with मेरे college का एक friend है, सौम्यदीप बर्मन. He's a very nice producer now. So these are the guitar tracks. So if you see just some EQ on the individual tracks, actually if you see most of it is just some cuts at the resonance frequencies, nothing else. So we have the main riff, then main rhythms, yeah, actually we have 3 rhythm tracks. In the chorus now you get that double time rhythm. दीवाना दीवाना समझे ना कभी चुप चुप रहे कभी गाया ये. So if you don't have this तो थोड़ा सा और ये बस वो उसके लिए है, just on the background. So these are the guitars. उसके बाद we have one big rhythm section जो कि क्योंकि Indian कव्वाली style rhythm है. This is the groove of the song, like the basic groove. In the chorus I have added with few samples. This is so just like a chops and a duffly. So this along with that's the chorus rhythm. This is the verse. I think what I like about the groove is, you know, if you see थोड़े थोड़े ना कोंगो के बीच बीच में वो आ रहे हैं, which I like a lot actually. See यहाँ पे ना, so वो बहुत अच्छा, मतलब normally when you do it it's not like this, तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. So that's the rhythm of the song. And then we have a bass. Bass actually is played by Soumya. So मुझे वो bass सुन के ही याद आया था कि यार ये मैंने नहीं बजाया, not my style. So this is Soumya style. So if you see very nicely he's played. बहुत अच्छा. And this is also I'll tell you guys, back then we didn't have so much of a budget to, you know, record a live bass player. So this is also programmed. If I had a budget of recording a bass player, then I would have recorded a bass player. But these claps are actually giving that chorus wala vibe. See, this is without the claps. With the हाँ वो कवाली वाला जो रिदम है वो क्लैप से आ रहा है. Then I have it's actually a little, बहुत कम होता है मेरे गानों में कि बीच में म्यूजिक पीस है, but this song has a music interlude and it goes like. We have sitar and santoor together. I think sitar also had 2 tracks. One is maybe a low sit and one a high together with a santoor. And on the second half, so this starts. So that's the music part. And sitar is also programmed. This is also Logic sound. Actually, there is no external plugins in this session at all. So ये वाला part मेरे गानों में normally नहीं होते, but this is because he has played it. This is there. Yeah, a lot of strings actually. ये होता है मेरे गानों में. Last time also I spoke about these strings in Emptiness वाला गाना. मेरा माने ना मन मेरा. So these are the string sections. These 3 tracks. These are the EPs. रग रग वो समाया मेरे मुझको बनाया मेरे दिल से मिलाया दे मिटा. Yeah, and there's some fills also. I have never done these fills, so this is definitely Soumyadeep. See, this is not nice. Like usually what I tend to do is कि जो first chorus है वो थोड़ा सा अगर light है तो second has to be a little more and third has to then go even more. So that's the whole point कि वो dynamically फिर वहाँ पहुँचे. So there is just a harmonium added in this. The bridge of the song will come. It's actually everything which is going in the chorus. Same thing is continuing. No difference music wise, only the vocals are changing. So you have 2 EQs. One is just cutting and boosting the highs here, and the second one is just boosting the highs. Nothing. There is a pitch correction going on, which is not actually a lot, very minimal. कभी रोया फिर करे, कभी टूटे हुए सपने संजोया फिर करे. इस पे मुझे याद आया कि अभी मुझे असीम भाई जो लिरिक्स राइटर हैं उनसे मुझे झाड़ भी पड़ी थी कि वो फिर होता है. तो so I have said फिर, and I think this is the last part. ये इस पे थोड़ा सा heavy reverb है. Just like the outro part. So that's the track.